Well, hello, it's Denise Miller again, and we are here on day 2 of the word refrain. Now, before I go any further, I will ask you to please be sure that if you like this content, to hit the thumbs up or the heart, depending on your social media platform. And please do either follow me or subscribe to my channel. Now, refrain. We spoke yesterday about refrain being a repeating theme, if you will, in a song or in our lives. And I'd like to now go on to another meaning for the word refrain, and that is to hold back. Yes, hold back. And my question to you is this: as you look at the repeating themes in your life, is there anything that is causing you to step back, or that is holding you back from perhaps exercising your gifts or doing what you'd really like to do, or for even having an adventure? Anything that's holding you back from making new friends or trying a new career? It's very, very important that we pay attention to those themes or those choruses that come back to us over and over again, because those refrains in our lives can cause us to refrain or hold back from doing what would really be a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful thing for us to do. Thank you so much for listening. Have a great balance of the day. I look forward to speaking with you tomorrow.